Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to learn about adding pages and structure in Duda. So, if you are beginner with Duda, then this tutorials will be helpful for you. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Duda account. So, I'm going to log in my Duda account right now. Then click on the dashboard. Then you have to open your site. Here is my site, cosmetics shop. First we talk about the section. Section means a block with contain a lot of relevant element. For example, this is the header top section, and here we can see that heading. Also, this is the header section. Here we can see that there is a logo, navigation, and social icon. This is the element and the total row called as section. Also, in the same way, this is the slider section, and here is the another section contain a subtitle and main title. So I hope you understand about section. Also, there are another section with 4 column within one row. One section contain with one row. You have to remember that. So I hope you understand. Also, looks here, there is a one row. This is one section, and there is a 2 column. One column is for image and another column is for text. So I hope you understand about the column contain with a row. And now we are going to learn about pages. We know a website contain a lot of pages, and you can see that there is a 2 pages, our product and newsletter, and we wanted to add another page in here. For example, we wanted to create a page like about us or contact us. I'm going to click on the pages, and you can see that the pages option open in here. Then click on the add page, then select empty page and type a page name, for example about us. Then click on the add page. Here is our about us page, you can see. Then we can add content in this page. For example, we wanted to add text in here, so we have to click on the widget, then select a text and type in here. For example, welcome to our company, and we can make it heading. Then we can make it in center. Then we can add another text in here under this title, and we can add some content in here, Brahmi content. Okay, looks good. Also, you can make this content bold in the same way. Select and select bold, looks good. Okay, our about page is ready. Now we can click on the publish. Now we can add our menu in here. Just click on the site pages, then you can see our about us page display in here. Looks here. And if I go to our home page again, and you can see that the about page available in here, so click on it. So if you want to go to the about page again, then you have to click on the pages, then click on the about us. Then you can customize anything on about us page. So I hope you understand about that. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Duda, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.